Good evening. These are the trading card sets I picked up at Universal Studios at one of the prop shops. They were $6.95 each, so I didn't buy tons because they were $6.95 each. But I thought they were so cool, so I wanted to try them out. They are definitely the original old ones. They have a little sticker on them. It says bubblegum not for consumption. And there was a price sticker on them. Maybe there wasn't. Maybe it was on the box. So at checkout, I saw these at two different stores. There wasn't tons. At checkout, there was like a little cardboard box or a nice box. I don't know. And it had a couple of each of these in it. And there's like two prop stores at Universal Studios. The Universal Studios side, not the Islands of Adventure. They could have been over there too, but I only saw them at the Universal Studios. So they have a really cool prop shop that has like props from different movies for sale, and it had like posters from Halloween Horror Nights this year. A lot of cool stuff. Nothing I wanted, but it was fun to look at, so I definitely suggest looking at those prop shops. They had a whole bunch of signed Back to the Future memorabilia. So that was interesting, but not really what I'm interested in. Maybe if they would have had some Gremlins, but maybe if they would have had Gremlins merchandise, but it was all like Back to the Future. So anyway, I'm going to open these on camera so you can see what I got. And then I'm going to start. They have that, remember that sleeve telling you, don't eat the gum. Trust me, I'm not going to eat the gum. And then let's see how easily this opens. Should open pretty easily because it's like, does it have a year on it? 1989. So yeah, that's what, 19 years old. So, okay, I'm going to try to preserve the wrapper as much as I can. Okay, and there is the gum, and as you can see, it's left gum marks. Let me just smell it. Doesn't have, no smell, doesn't have that nice gummy smell anymore. Okay, and then the cards, let's start. Okay. So this is Ghostbusters 2. I'm not as familiar with Ghostbusters 2. I didn't really like that one. I've watched the first one a billion times. The second one, I've probably only watched once, so I don't really remember much. So I don't know if I'm going to understand these cards, but there's Slimer, and he's in it. And then the receptionist complaining about a ghost. And then a drawing of I don't know, some ghost. And then the Titanic has arrived. I don't remember that scene whatsoever. Like I said, I've only seen the second one once or twice. There's that same ghost again. But is this a sticker? I think this is a sticker. And then Richard, not Richard Moran, what's this kid? Rick Moranis. He's in it. And then Sigourney and, oh my god, why am I forgetting his name all of a sudden? Oh, and I dropped it. And then that one, I don't recognize any of these. Alright, let me pick up the card I just dropped. It's not Dan Aykroyd. How am I not remembering that guy's name? Seriously, I cannot remember. I can't believe I forgot the main guy's name. I know it. We all know it. We all know him, and it's just completely slipped my mind. Ah, I hate when I do that. I'm going to remember it 5 minutes later when I'm onto a different set. So, those were okay. I kind of wish it would have been Ghostbusters, the first one. That would have been a little more interesting, but, you know, there's a cute sticker in it. So, what is this guy's name? Why can't I... Ugh. Alright, Jaws is my favorite, so Jaws 3D. It says 3D viewer inside. Again, it's got gum. Don't eat the gum. And these must be more recent. These aren't paper. Does it say a year on it? Hmm. 1983. Oh, these are actually older than the Ghostbusters 2. Alright. Let me see if I can open this. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That looks pretty darn cool. Oh wait, there's a piece of gum. Gum. Weird gum. Oh my god. Now I'm kind of wishing I would have got more of these. Look at that. I don't know. That is pretty cool. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. Probably not. But oh my god, that is so cool. Bloody Remains, Invading SeaWorld. So this is the SeaWorld one. Oops. I just saw that last month. Alright, so they're not... Okay, wait a minute. They're normal on one side, and then they're 3D on the other. That is awesome. That's a good movie. The first one's still the best, but I kind of like all the Jaws. Even when they go to Key West, even that one I liked. So, but I will have to say the 3D cards is pretty cool. I don't know how well you can't see it, but that's cool. I like it. Now I kind of wish I would have got more of the Jaws 3D. Alright, Jaws 3D. So no sticker cards, just 3D. Let's open the second one. I'm going to save Beetlejuice for last. Kind of now wish I would have got more Beetlejuice. I don't know that I've ever seen Beetlejuice trading cards before. The only thing that could have made it better is if they would have had Gremlin ones. Gremlin was actually on the other night, but they did not have Gremlins trading cards. Where's the gum? There it is. Ooh, look at that. A full piece of gum. Who wants a piece of gum? Not me. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Let's see. Let's flip that over. So this is underwater, when they're underwater, debating stuff. There's a good picture of Jaws. And that's when they had baby Jaws they're trying to save. And there's the big Jaws gonna eat someone. And there's people swimming for their lives. And then this is a sidekick. I have no idea who that is. Wasn't there Reliable Philip Fitzroy? I think he was like the hotshot shark expert that ends up getting killed, I'm sure. Don't they all die? Ooh, the shark smashes through. That is a good scene. And that is so cool. That is really cool. Alright. These 3D glasses are a mini, like this is just the cutout to put on your nose. Like, oh my god. So small. Alright. And then the last pack. Oh, I'm sorry. I have 2 more packs. Back to the Future 2. Again. I can tell you everything about the first one. The second one, not so much. I am not normally a sequel girl. I did watch Mary Poppins Returns the other day. It was awesome. But I normally don't watch sequels because the first is always the best. So yes, I have seen Back to the Future 2, just not as many times as the first one. So I definitely probably don't know anything about this one. Marty Mcfly, age 47. Oh yeah, this is when he has the hoverboard in the future. Ugh. And the new improved town square. Okay, so then this is the sticker. Is this the sticker? Yes, this is the sticker. Oh, what's this? Cafe 80s. Okay. Oh, shoot. Hold on one second. Hold on. I am in my basement and it has an automatic light that loves to turn off. Huh. Yeah, these are, okay. It would have been better if it would have been Back to the Future 1. So Back to the Future 2 is the futuristic one, I guess, with the flying hoverboard. They actually did have a flying hoverboard for sale at the prop shop. I don't remember the price. It was autographed by a lot of people. It was pretty cool. I don't remember it being like a ridiculous price. So if anyone has money to spare and wants a flying hoverboard, go to Universal Studios. All right, Beetlejuice, 5 cards plus 1 glow sticker. And does it say what year? Only 3,000 sets come with a number. I'm looking for a year. Ghost with the most. This one doesn't say a year. Beetlejuice was the 80s, or was it early 90s? I don't know. I swear it was early 90s. Maybe it was 80s. I'm trying to open it without ruining. Oh, alright. So this one doesn't have gum. No questionable gum in this one. Oh, darn it. Just trying not to ruin the wrapper too much, but I failed. Okay. Ooh, that's cool. This is 1990s. See, I knew it was the 90s. So that is the sticker, and I think it's glow in the dark. You can, yeah, right here. You can tell back in the day the glow in the dark was painted on. I can see it's painted right there. So, was there a Beetlejuice okay, this was a Beetlejuice cartoon, not the original movie. I vaguely remember watching this on Saturday mornings, so that's cool. I definitely think I watched those. I still like the movie. The movie is awesome. Why? They never did a sequel to Beetlejuice, did they? And they've never, like, redone it. Why not? Why has Beetlejuice never been redone? That would be cool. Alright, those were cool. I like the Beetlejuice cards. So, yep, these were my souvenirs from Universal Studios. So, Ghostbusters 2, Back to the Future 2, I didn't really care for those, just because I'm not familiar with the movies that much, because, again, they're sequels, who cares? The Jaws 3D, I like those. That 3D feature was pretty awesome. I'm definitely going to look through these with a different 3D viewer, because this is just way too small for my face, but that's pretty cool. And I love the Beetlejuice. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're in Florida, they probably have these in California too, but if you're in Florida and you go to Universal Studios and you like collector cards, check out the prop shops. And I'm sure they still have, I mean, it wasn't like they had tons, but it's probably like they only put a few out at the time. I bet they have like boxes and boxes. They just hide them in the back so you don't realize. Because, I don't know, $6.95 seemed quite reasonable. But it's high enough that I wasn't going to buy them all. But, anyway, oh God, I like these. I like that it's the cartoon. I like the animation on that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.